Okay, we're back. This is a follow-up video. We made a video about unboxing our Morimoto Elite HID Kit from the Retrofit Source. And this time around, we're going to show you the before and after. But there was a little bit of drama, and we'll talk about that here in a bit. So let's jump right in. Okay, here is the before of the Hyundai Genesis Sedan with halogens. And here is the after with the Hyundai Genesis with the HID Kit from Morimoto, the purchase at the Retrofit Source. All right, so we originally installed the kit, but one of the sides, one of the bulbs seemed to be having issues. If you look at this picture, it just doesn't look right. So I contacted the Retrofit Source and spoke with somebody there, and they were very nice, very helpful. They said, you know, you could possibly have this aligned incorrectly, you know, take it out and put it in. So I did. I went back in, I tried to remove the bulb and put it back in several times, and I kept on getting the same result. So the next day I contacted them, and this time around the guy kind of had a poor attitude and was telling me like, no, you haven't installed incorrectly. But I kind of stuck to my guns and I said, you know, I think it's the bulb. You know, I think it's machined. The plastic, you know, little fins that are supposed to lock in seem to be, you know, having issues. So he agreed to go ahead and warranty it out. He sent me an email and told me look at the email and there'll be the instructions there. When I looked at the email, it said that I need to cut up the current HID bulb that I have. Don't send it back, but send pictures of it cut up. So this is what we did. And at that moment, I told myself, well, what happens if I just want to, you know, kind of return this? And then I looked at their website, and if you get an HID kit, or any product from what it looks like, the return policy, even if you get it, you know, you're only going to get a 90% refund if you return it. If you open it, you're only going to get an 80% refund if you send it back. So this isn't Amazon. You know, once you order something here, you know, you got to be ready to be committed. And you know, they say due to the nature of our parts, I can understand that, but still, like, I had an issue with the bulb and kind of had a bad taste about that. But overall, I'm happy with the result, and I did get a part, which, you know, that's good customer service. But at the end, the car looks good and lights up. So hope this video helps out, and everybody have a happy New Year's, and thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe.